In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Elementor in WordPress for free. If you've been looking to enhance your WordPress site with a versatile and user-friendly page builder, then you're in the right place. Elementor is a popular choice among WordPress users, known for its drag-and-drop functionality and variety of features that make website building a breeze. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. When you log in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard screen. This is your control center for all things WordPress. From here, we'll access the plugin section, which is crucial for installing any additional features or tools on your website. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu with various options. Locate and click on Plugins. This will open a submenu. From this submenu, select Add New. By clicking here, you're opening up a vast library of plugins that can enhance and extend the functionality of your site. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, take a moment to locate the search bar in the top right corner. This is a powerful tool that allows you to search through the WordPress plugin repository. Here, you'll want to type Elementor Website Builder into the search bar. As you type, you'll notice a list of suggestions or related plugins appearing below. This feature helps to ensure you find what you're looking for quickly. Once you've entered the term, let the search results populate the page. Among the options you'll see, focus on identifying the correct plugin by looking for the distinctive pink E icon. This pink E is the signature symbol for Elementor, and it signifies that you've found the right plugin. Keep in mind that there are other versions of Elementor available, but since we are concentrating on the free version today, make sure it's labeled as the basic one. After confirming it's the correct plugin, you'll see the Install Now button next to it. Go ahead and click this button. WordPress will start downloading and installing the plugin, a process that typically takes just a few moments. Once the installation is complete, the same button will change and prompt you with the option to activate. Activation is a crucial step because it effectively turns on the plugin and integrates it with your WordPress site. Without activating, the plugin won't function on your website. Click on Activate, and the Elementor plugin will be fully installed and ready for you to use. And that's it. You've successfully installed Elementor on your WordPress site for free. You can now begin exploring all the exciting design possibilities that Elementor offers. Whether you're working on a personal blog or a professional portfolio, Elementor provides a robust platform to help elevate your content. Happy building, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.